organization of DNA in chromosome. See, it is organization of DNA in chromosome diagram. Particularly, we identified chromosome structure during the cell division of metaphase. During the cell division metaphase, chromosome structure clearly identified. That chromosome shows centromere and arms-like structures. Centromere present at the middle portion or corner portion of the chromosome. On both sides of the centromere, arms-like structures are present. The arms are containing chromatid thread-like structures. The chromatid thread-like structures are called chromatonemata. The chromatonemata are covered by the matrix and pellicle. These are the protective layers. They are present around the chromatin fiber. In each arm, two long polynucleotide chains are present. The two long polynucleotide chains shows mainly two zones. One is dark zones and light zones. Dark zones are called heterochromatin. Light zones are called euchromatin. Heterochromatin is inactive genes. They cannot participate in the heredity. And euchromatin contain active genes. They can participate in the heredity. So these two zones are clearly identified when we add acetocarmine chemical to the chromosomes. So it is the chromosome structure. In each arm, two long polynucleotide chains. The two long polynucleotide chains are combines with protein particles. Combines with protein particles. During the formation of arms, they shows means chromatin fiber shows looped dominos like structures. In these looped dominos like structures, two long polynucleotide chains are present. Including two long polynucleotide chains, histone proteins are present. These histone proteins are mainly 5 types. The 5 types of histone proteins: H1, H2A, H2B, H3 and H4. These are the 5 types of histone proteins. These are combined with two long polynucleotide chains, means they are combined with chromatin fibers during the formation of looped domina. These histone proteins are 5 types: H1, H2A, H2B, H3 and H4. From these 5 types of histone proteins, H1 histone protein is independent. It present in the spacer DNA. So the spacer DNA containing only H1 histone protein, and H2A, H2B, H3, H4. These 4 histone proteins are present at the one place. Around these 4 histone proteins, polynucleotide chain or chromatin fibers spirally arranged. The spirally arranged structure is called nucleosome. In each nucleosome, H1, H2A, H2B, H3, H4 histone proteins are present. H1 histone protein present in the spacer DNA, and H2A, H2B, H3, H4 histone proteins are covered with spirally arranged chromatin fibers. So these total parts are called nucleosome. In the spacer DNA, up to 54 nitrogenous base pairs are present. Around these remaining 4 histone proteins. The chromatin fiber contains up to 146 nitrogenous base pairs. Mean in one nucleosome, total 200 nitrogenous base pairs are present. These 6 nucleosomes are arranged in a spiral position in the formation of chromosome arms. The 6 nucleosomes are arranged in a spiral position called solenoid model. See, here it is in this diagram, 6 nucleosomes are arranged in a spiral like structure or in oval like structure. The 6 nucleosome, each nucleosome containing spacer DNA, spacer histone protein. Histone protein means H1 histone protein, and H2A, H2B, H3, H4. Around these histone proteins, chromatin fiber. These total parts are called nucleosome. The 6 nucleosomes are arranged in a oral like structure is called solenoid model. In each nucleosome, up to 200 nitrogenous base pairs are present. 200 nitrogenous base pairs are present in the nucleosome core. But in solenoid model, 6 nucleosomes are arranged in a oral like structure. Mean in each solenoid model, up to 1200 nitrogenous base pairs are present. 1200 nitrogenous base pair are present in the each solenoid model. When we pull the 2 long polynucleotide chains or chromatin fibers, the histone proteins are eliminated or leave from the DNA or chromatin fiber. The DNA is observed, it look like a double helix structure. It made by 2 long polynucleotide chains. The 2 long polynucleotide chains are shows major grooves and minor grooves during the helical formation. Between these 2 long polynucleotide chains, 20 angstroms of width is present. During the formation of helix structures, the major helix shows up to 34 angstroms of width, 34 angstroms of length, and in each major groove, up to 10.5 nitrogenous base pairs are present. Between the 2 nitrogenous base pairs, 3.4 angstroms of width is present, and the 2 long polynucleotide chains are arranged in a anti-parallel position. So this DNA, these polynucleotide chains are combined with histone proteins. They show solenoid models, nucleosomes models, and looped domino structures. These all are formed in the formation of arms like structure. It is the DNA organization in chromosome.